Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nick from forexfornoobs.com, and today I'm launching a brand new series of videos called Forex Education Friday. So every Friday I'll be bringing you a 15-minute long Forex education video. The goal of this series is to share with you some of the knowledge I've gathered over the last 8 years in the Forex industry. So I'm going to be sharing some Forex tips, Forex education, that kind of stuff with you every week. I will mostly cover subjects that other Forex educators don't really want to talk about because if you know me, you'll know that I'm brutally honest about Forex. I don't sugarcoat anything or try to convince you that Forex is easy or that you'll get rich overnight, because you won't. And I guess that's as good a place as any to start this series off. This week I'll be talking about getting rich in Forex. So Forex, get rich slow. Before I tackle this subject, I want to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the like button below. I timed it. This will take you a total of 5 seconds and it will not take you away from this video. In fact, I'm going to shut my mouth for 5 seconds and now allow you to click the subscribe button up here and the like button down here. Okay, done. To those of you who click those buttons, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Okay, so Forex, get rich slow. You've probably heard the line that Forex is not a get rich quick scheme. Many internet marketers spew that line. Forex is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you buy my product, you will get rich relatively quick, that kind of stuff. So it should be no revelation to you that Forex is not a get rich quick scheme. You've heard it before. But Forex isn't even a get rich at a medium pace scheme. It's more of a get rich slow scheme. Well, it's not really a scheme, it's a career, but the point is, you get rich slow in Forex. Recently I got asked this question via email. How long will it take for me to turn a $1,000 account into a $50,000 account? Now I get these kinds of questions every week. It's one of the most common questions I'm asked. So I'm going to answer this question once and for all in this video. And to anyone who ever asks me this question again, I'm just going to link them to this video. To turn 1,000 into 50,000, it's probably going to take you about 3 to 4 years. And you're probably going to need more than just $1,000 because you'll likely blow 1 or 2 accounts before you become consistently profitable. Yeah, I know, that does not sound good. I'm saying you'll likely lose money and spend years becoming successful. 3 to 4 years and losing money. If you see it through, it's quite a commitment, isn't it? 3 years, maybe 4 years, hell, maybe even 5 years for some people. It is a commitment, a big commitment. So you need to ask yourself 2 questions before you even get into the Forex industry. So question 1, do I have the drive needed to take Forex on as a career and become a successful trader? Question 2, do I have the patience needed to get through the bumps in the road to success? If your answer is no, then you shouldn't be here, because you need drive and you need patience. There are very, very few shortcuts in Forex. I've been trading financial markets for 10 years, Forex specifically for 8 years. I've yet to meet a single trader who's gotten rich quick. I'm not saying it's impossible to get rich quick. I'm sure somebody out there has gotten lucky and has done it. If not in the Forex industry, maybe some other financial market. What I'm saying is that the vast majority of successful traders get rich slowly. So let me break down the road to becoming a successful trader for you. Now, I've been down this road myself. I've helped others down this road, and I've seen what happens when wannabe traders do not follow this road. So if you want to become rich in Forex, this is how you do it. So step 1, learn the basics. Now this one is obvious. You need to know the basics before you get anywhere in any career. Not just Forex. I mean, you want to become a doctor, whatever you want to do, you need to know the basics, the fundamentals. So I'm not really going to labor this point. I mean, step 1, learn the basics. Dead simple. Okay, so step 2, planning and preparing. Again, this one is obvious, but still most traders don't do it for some reason. If you want to start a business, you need a business plan. It's one of the core elements of a business. A trading plan and a management plan is almost a Forex equivalent of a business plan. If you do not have one, you're making a critical mistake and you will fail. Sorry to be so harsh, but it's the truth. And the thing is, a trading and money management plan is dead simple to put together. If you do not have one, I have you covered. Forex for Noobs has a popular free Forex video course, so you're not paying for it, in which I show you step by step how to put together a plan, a trading plan and a money management plan, And I also give you sample plans and all that kind of good stuff. The link is in the description below. So now you have really no excuse not to have a trading plan. I go over step by step and I show you everything you need to build a very good trading plan and money management plan. The same basic plan that's taken me from being a newbie trader to a successful trader. So I share that plan with you for free. So check it out. Just click the link below, and check it out for free. Okay, so time for step 3. Develop a trading strategy. Before you think, oh, that's easy, I'll just pop over to Forex Factory and grab a good looking trading system. A trading strategy is not a system. A trading system is a collection of indicators put together by some newbie trader and thrown onto a Forex forum. The majority of trading systems on forums are completely useless. They may work when they are new, but they have a very short lifespan. And this is because they do not really adapt to shifting market conditions. In Forex, market conditions shift on a regular basis. I mean, even go back 2 months, market conditions were different to what they are now. Go back 3 months before that, market conditions were totally different. So market conditions shift on a regular basis, and trading systems, for the most part, they only work with certain market conditions. When they switch, and you never know when that switch is coming, they stop working. So trading systems on Forex forums, almost completely useless. A trading strategy instead is a set of analysis techniques that are adaptable and can be used in any market condition. I use price action analysis myself, and again, if you need help with a strategy, I have you covered for free. In the free course I mentioned already, I show you how to put together your own trading strategy, and in the Forex strategy section of Forex for Noobs, I show you the basic outline of my trading strategy for free. The other important part that I've forgotten to mention about developing your own strategy is that when you develop a strategy, it's yours. It's suited to your personality and your style. So, you could take my trading strategy and adapt it to suit your trading style, because that way you've got the building blocks and you build your own trading strategy and it's suited to you, it's suited to your personality. This is completely different to grabbing some crappy system from a Forex forum and starting to trade it, because that's not yours and it's not suited to you, and also it's not going to work when market conditions shift, like I've already mentioned. When you build your own trading strategy, you get the basic building blocks, the price action analysis. You learn price action analysis, you learn the basic simple building blocks, and you put it together and you make something that works for you. You can just throw away all the indicators, you don't need them, but if you really feel like you want indicators, you could put them in too. The core concept is to build your own trading strategy. So again, I show you how to do that in the free course, and I share with you my trading strategy so you can get some of those building blocks on Forex for Noobs. The links to those sections are below. So let's take a look at step 4, nailing down trading psychology. This is arguably the hardest part of becoming a successful Forex trader, and it will take up most of your time. While there are some great books on trading psychology, the only real way to get it right, to get your trading psychology right, is to keep on trading. The more experience you get, the more hits you take, the more wins you get, it all builds and molds your trading psyche. So time serves to make you a better trader. There aren't many shortcuts to developing a proper trading psychology, but there are some, and I have to say, I have you covered there too. One of the shortcuts is having a proper trading plan, which I've already discussed. Another shortcut is keeping a proper trading diary. Now, keeping a proper trading diary is very important because it allows you to track your mistakes and spot flaws in your trading strategy and your trading psychology. And, well, you guessed it, that stuff is also in the free course that I've linked to below. I show you how to keep your own trading diary. I show you how to put together a proper trading diary. I give you a sample trading diary, all that stuff. All that stuff's in the free course, so again, check it out. And if you don't know me, you're probably thinking at this point, what's the catch? Why would you give me all this stuff for free? Well, look, to be honest, there is no catch. I'm a real trader, so I don't need your money to pay my bills. Forex trading pays my bills. So most of the stuff I release is for free. Full disclosure, I do sell a course from time to time, but it's not always on sale on Forex for Noobs, and 90% of the stuff you get on my site is completely free. So, the point is there is no catch. The stuff is free because I don't need your money. I trade myself. I make my money from trading, not from selling stuff to people. So anyway, step 5. This is the step you've all been waiting for. Step 5, get rich. So finally, this is where you start making money, and in only 5 steps. How easy? But no, it's not easy. These 5 steps are tough, and they will take you a few years to get through. So have no illusions about reaching step 5 in a year. It's not going to happen. I mean, you might get extremely lucky, you might be natural, everything might fall together for you, and it might happen. There is some outside chance, possibility that it might happen, but look, let's be honest. For most of you guys, for me, it didn't happen. For most of you guys, it's not going to happen. You're going to have to spend a few years going through these 5 steps. These 5 basic steps are going to take you a few years, and it's going to be worth it in the end. So like I said, have no illusions about reaching step 5 in a year. You'll have better luck on a roulette wheel. So when I tell all of this to people, they kind of get down and they say, so why should I bother then? Why should I bother trading? Well, think about it. How many people do you know who have gotten rich quick in anything? Getting rich quick doesn't exist for the most part. Some people get lucky from time to time. Some people win the lottery. That dude that invented Facebook. But let's face it, getting rich quick is rare. It doesn't happen every day. You may hear about it a lot, but that's just because the few people who get rich quick, they become famous. But for most of us, we have to work our asses off to make money. And Forex is no different. You have to work, you have to put in the hours, and you have to figure it out, and you have to go through all the tough times. And eventually, if you stick to it and if you do it right, you'll get there. The great thing about Forex is the freedom it provides. Like any business venture, I said already, it's going to take years before you start to see a substantial return. However, when you do Forex, it's a pretty great job. I trade roughly 6 hours per week. So compare that to the 8 or 12 hours per day that most people work. You start to see how Forex can actually be quite good. 6 hours a week compared to 8 to 12 hours a day. So that's why you should bother. That's why it's worth committing a few years of your life to getting a handle on this thing. But like I said at the start of this video, you need to ask yourself, 1, do I have the drive needed to take Forex on as a career and become successful? 2, do I have the patience needed to get through the bumps in the road to success? If you answer no to any of these questions, then I'm sorry to say this job is not for you. It's just not going to happen. I mean, if you don't have the commitment, the drive, the patience, you're not going to make it in this industry. Forex is well worth it if you can put in the time, but you're not going to make it in a month. You're not going to make it in 3 months. We're talking years here. And that's the truth of the matter. You're not going to hear that from many people because most people, they're trying to sell you stuff. They're trying to sell you a course and they say, well, with my course, you can make money in 3 months. You can make money with this automated system, but it's not true. Don't fall for it. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Forex is all about getting rich slow. It's a get-rich-slow career. And like most legitimate things, you're not going to get rich quick. You're going to get rich slow by putting in the hard work, putting in the hours. You'll get rich, but it's going to take time. It's going to take commitment. Anyway, I'm going to stop laboring this point. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I spent about 2 hours putting this video together, maybe even more than that. So if you like it, the least you can do is spend 5 seconds, and it is just 5 seconds, clicking the like button up above, the like button down below, and the subscribe button up above. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video, which is coming to you next week. Thanks for watching. See you guys next week.